we see that a kid gets born with jealousy. How we see it? When a person married, waiting, they have a kid, finding Hashem help, have a kid, they're so happy to have a child. There's no happiest couple than to have a child until they got married. And finally they got married till they have the first child was something special. Everybody's happy with them, the father, the mother, the uncle, the Zayd and the Bob, both sides. Very happy, a child. And playing with them, and kiss them and hug them. Hashem helps. And comes another one. So ever has children could see it. Another one. The first one is complete. Get mama is crazy. Why? Till now, he had nobody in the house, only him. He was killing around, and they kissed them and hugged them and made an amazing. Now, all of a sudden, another one came. A boy to a girl, but another one. Surely, it's a new boy, a new born child. They took away the attention from him, and they gave attention to a new one. He's eating himself up for jealousy. Whoever has the second child will see it. He puts in the bottle, he wants to choke him. Why are you doing? No, I want to give him. Or he has hug them and it chokes him. Why? I love him. What's it? Mama should kill him. And like this, he's going up. And comes a third one, wow. Then the middle child, there's a middle child, always it falls in between them, they tell them. But the oldest is always jealous. Like this, a person grows up with jealousy. If you're not taking out jealousy, then a person is small, he will grow up with this, and this will lead his whole life. Jealousy is a killer. From jealousy comes hate. When comes hate, people hate each other. He's jealous. Whoever is fights, is always be jealous. Why he has more money than me? Why he is married and I'm smarter than him and I didn't find my shidduch. Why they have children, I don't have children. Why he has nachas and children, I don't have. Always answer the question, why? Why? But he has, I am not. I'm smarter than him. So jealousy brings hateness. And hateness brings to do you bad. I should do you gracious. Gracious till, you know what? I like to kill him. It's not worth it to live. It's nothing. Now, the Gemara says that Yaakov didn't have to do such a thing to make a difference from one child to other. The brothers, the Shvatim, hated Yosef till they wanted to kill him, and came Yehuda and said, why we should kill our brother? Let's sell him. They sold him for a servant, and they brought him down in Egypt, and they put him on the stage where they're selling their servants. Somebody bought them all, and he was very honest. He always speaks to Hashem. And the next thing, he finds himself in jail. The lady that he stayed at Potiphera, she was saying that he wanted to rape her. Such a innocent person. She was 17 years old. He finds himself in jail, put him in jail. Yosef Atzadik had one thing he had. He was always happy. Always was singing and eating and was happy. Therefore, he was able to survive. When a person is a happy person, takes everything easy. Whatever you accuse me, whatever you do to me, whatever bad you're going to do to me, if a person is happy, I'm laughing at you. Laughing. But majority of people, most of the people, is not that. It's going through souls. I didn't do nothing, and I'm finding myself in jail, and I know for nothing. She accused me that I wanted to rape her. Or the brothers, what do you want from me? So my father bought me a garment. Till that, you could sell me, your own brother, you could sell me for a servant. You go to tell for the father that an animal killed me. So, if you would be instead of Yosef, you would get praised, such a thing. But Yosef had in himself tremendous simcha, and then we find in jail 2 ministers, 2 sorry, Sarah Oifen and Sarah Mashke. And both of them very sad. If we would be in jail and see 2 goyim are lying there sad, we would say, my business, let them lay there and be sad. Yosef Atzadik couldn't see even a goy. Why you sad? So I asked why he said, and he told him the whole. Chazal says, what was the whole idea that they, both of them, should also be in jail? Yosef Atzadik was in the news every day, every hour. Came a Jewish boy and wanted to rape woman, a mitzvah, to give it to eat, they bought them for serving. Hashem wanted, they should let him forget from Yosef, so they bought. The Sarah Oifen put in stones in the cake for the king, and the Sarah Mashkin was flies in it. Now they take them. They was on the news now. They wanted to kill the king. Yosef Atzadik, a handsome boy, a nice boy, every girl was running after Yosef. So Yosef was working in one thing, Sur Mera. I shouldn't have to do it with Goyim. Goyish women, Goyish girls ran after him. He was in the Derech HaMusa. I should go away from the bed. I shouldn't. Yaakov was suffering in his life, so much suffering in his mother's stomach. They was fighting already. Asa was fighting with Yaakov, and the stomach never could go outside. He was fighting already. Then Asa wanted to kill him. He ran away to Laban, and then he had to work very hard. He cheated them. And then finally he left. It started, Rachel died, and then it was Dino, his daughter, was raped. And then the kids I was fighting, the Shvotim, wanted to kill Yosef, and then they took away Shimon, they took away Binyamin. It was only problems the whole life. Yaakov held, no, we have to do only goods. Now we come back. Yosef came, and he says, bless me first, Menashe. Menashe, what's Menashe? Forget. Sur Mera.